say. What's up? How y'all doing? I am Brandy. Welcome to my channel. I haven't uploaded a video, oh my gosh, in 2 years. I recently looked at some of my videos and yeah, here we are 2 years later. That's all I have to say. So I wanted to talk to y'all before I transition over to the makeup tutorial to let y'all know that I'm back. I'm better. I found myself. I have centered myself. You dig? I have 2 reasons why I got off of YouTube for such a long time. The first reason is production. I am one of those people who just had to work with what she got, and that's what I did. I was recording on a few of my videos. I was recording on a Sony a5000, which is a pretty good camera to start off with. It's not my personal favorite, but it was a good start. After a while, I just wasn't fond of it anymore. I didn't like that the screen flipped up versus like what I'm recording on now is a Canon, and the screen flips out to the side, which I prefer that because it's a lot easier to see if I'm in focus or not, and it has the eye detection, so when I move it catches up with me, versus when I had the Sony a5000 it lost focus. It couldn't always detect me because I'm short. So when that flips high and I have it on a tripod, it's like all over the place. Stepping back, the only what I can say is what I learned. Excuse me, my ring is on. What I can say about just starting, when I did start, is that I gained experience in production and what I want to visually put out there for my subscribers and just viewers in general, and I don't want to just put out anything. So that's one thing I did learn. You become the most creative. I'm so sorry. I'm watching Shrek and I forgot to put that thing on pause. One moment. So if you want to see a video on how I ended up building my production equipment, let me know and I will make a separate video about that altogether. The second reason is I didn't feel comfortable enough to be on this platform. I felt like nobody would understand my personality, and just being a little introverted into myself, that played a key factor, and just feeling like I have to do what everybody else does and needing to step away to learn what it's like to be in your own lane and to excel in your own lane. And that's something I'm still learning now, but I'm in a space where and maybe it's just come with age, but I'm in a space now where I'm like, I don't care what anybody else is doing. I know what I'm doing and I like what I'm doing, and we're about to take this to a whole nother level. So if you rocking with me, you rocking with me, you know. So yes, you will see more of me. I don't do get ready with me's that well. I'm not gonna try. I don't do get readies with me, but I will be doing introductions like this before doing makeup tutorials. Because alrighty, now that's all said and done, I am back. I ain't going nowhere. Go ahead and subscribe, like, and click that notification bell because I'm here to stay. Now I don't have a specific day and when I'll be uploading every week. Just be on the lookout for a video every week. I thank y'all so much for sticking around this intro while I talk to you. And now we are going to go ahead and transition over to that cute makeup tutorial. I hope you like this look.